The summer's calling.
Good morning, synthesizers of your lives. I am so excited because I booked a flight to Greece because one of my friends is going there solo, and I was like, oh my god, so cool. And she was like, come join me. And so I'm really excited because after traveling so much, it's really the best to go with someone that wants to do the same things as you. Like, she loves to just chill and relax and do touristy things, and I love to do that. Like, I don't really like to travel and party. Like, so over partying right now, and so I'm excited. And I just like it. The flight's literally in 2 days. That's how last minute it is. So it's kind of bananas. But it's also very exciting. Like, I literally only slept 5 hours because I'm like beyond excited. Like, beyond excited. Like, I've been wanting to go to Greece ever since the first time I went to Europe. But Greece is on the Mediterranean, so it's like on the south side. So I didn't get to go. And I was always like, oh, I want to go with like my significant other. Like, it would be like such a romantic place to go. But then I was thinking, like, I don't know, like the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants just popped into my head recently, and I was like, and then she told me she was going, my friend, and then I was like, oh my god, total Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants vibes. I'm literally packing in this. So this is like 8 tiny outfits. Thank god I'm tiny. And some random things I'm getting together. My portable charger. My period is due sometime in the near future, so I just stocked up on pads and tampons. I have some wellness teas just in case I'm at the airport and want a tea or something. I put bobby pins in here. And there's some like hair ties in case I want to braid my hair or something. This is like a hair twist in case I want to put my hair up. And glasses. So far, I'm gonna take these shoes. These are Uggs. They're amazing. They're super comfortable. I wore them for like 2 weeks straight in Egypt from like 6 a.m. I mean, actually more like from like 7 a.m. to like 7 p.m. of non-stop walking, and they're pretty amazing. Like, they're super comfortable. They're a little bit dirty right now, but they're good. And taking these in case I want to wear like a little heel or something. These are still super comfortable. We'll see what else I can do right now. I'm like so tired because I literally booked this flight like probably about 12 hours ago, or yeah, less than 24 hours ago for sure. And I was so excited. I didn't get any sleep. I only got 5 hours of sleep, and I've been out in 90-degree weather like all day, so I'm gonna shower and see how much more I can do today. And then I have tomorrow, so I still have time, but I just like to be like ahead, you know? I'm back. So I pretty much packed, but what I like to do is try on my outfits and style them so that I know like what to expect. Like everything is like pretty much planned. Trying to look cute. I've been literally like editing all day and packing, and yeah. So I'm bringing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Powder. Really good on its own. It has pretty good coverage. I would say medium. Eye primer, makeup base, very important. Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. 2 curlers because I'm extra like that. This is what I use to bronze. This is what I use as concealer. This is what I use as foundation. This is eyebrow, eyeliner. This is eyebrow. This is setting powder, eyeliner, highlighter. I use this as a highlighter. And lipsticks. I also have another lipstick that's like a hot pink red. Here I have cotton pads, trash bag for my dirty clothes. Here I have my boarding pass, my portable charger, a pair of socks for the plane. Here I have baby wipes, clothes that I'm bringing. These are bathing suits and a pair of shorts and a bunch of underwear.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that